Welcome back Down in the Frame, guys. Today, we're gonna be fixing all of those holes. Pretty cool. I didn't think you could see it under here, but you can, and we've got some damage. We've got some damage. It's a good visual representation of how much we're gonna have to repair, but also I think it's because the paint, and we got some options coming up for paint. If you guys haven't already, check out all of our social media links, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, all of that YouTuber stuff. We got a merch store, which got some cool merch. It's got the New Hampshire merch right now. Get it while you can. Now, today's video, we had issues with moisture. We fixed it. We got tarps on the ground, plastic literally everywhere, and I gotta say the condensation's a lot less. I'll show you. So as you can see here, plastic is, it's dry. It's not wet. There's definitely still some condensation going on up there, but it's not as...
It's not falling actively from the ceiling.
Right.
Yeah.
And that's an okay range. I think that also has to do with the weather. It's pretty dry right now. But regardless, I think it cut down on the moisture, and then this obviously is going to keep it a lot more dry. Honestly, the patches even look a bit better. They're not as white.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I guess that makes sense. The evaporation, you know?
Yeah.
Moisture taps out.
Let's pull her off, dude. Oh! Ah! This ladder back here. The patches don't look bad, dude.
Yeah, there's some moisture on over here, so a little bit.
Yeah, well,
the heat gun, dude. I think it might.
I think that.
Might
So
do something.
we got a heat gun, and we're gonna attempt to use it to try to dry out some of the patches versus, you know, redoing them.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna attempt that today. If we have success, then we're gonna run with it, dude. We're gonna run with it because that's gonna save us a lot of time and misery.
Definitely misery.
We still got like 3 layers of fiberglass to do per patch.
Do we?
Well, we got
This is 2.
2. I think some are 1.
I think this side's 2, that side's 1.
Okay.
Wait.
We might have to just do extra just in case.
We're gonna end up with patches that are like
I know.
huge mounds.
Yeah, but dude, the patches don't look bad. I think we saved ourselves by letting it dry.
You can still see there's some moisture like up here.
Really?
Yeah, see how it's still wet.
Oh yeah. But it's better than it was, and it's what we're gonna have to work with. So I don't know how to fix that. Yeah, unless we ventilate in here. Without further ado, let's get down in the frame. We're on high blow mode.
You're making it any less.
This whole thing has to be redone. I think we're good to go, dude. They don't look bad.
Oh, dude.
Did it go away?
Yeah.
Holy.
So this is all like cloudy right here.
Yeah.
You guys just reland.
Yeah. So the reason why we're actually going through and hitting with the heat gun is because moisture did get in there and they all turned white, and the theory behind it is that the heat gun will evaporate the moisture in the resin and allow us to reuse or not have to sand down those patches. And I think it worked. So we're gonna continue with it. We know how to fix the boat if anything happens, but I think it'll be solid enough that we can stay afloat for a while. So yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and start doing some patches. I'm glad we did what we did by cleaning this thing, taking a day to do that. It's so much better now.
Oh, 100%, dude. I feel like I can think clearly.
Yeah, I know.
It's like prison before. Like,
It was bad.
to be able to stand on something flat too and working on the boat. It's like for the longest time we're like in the boat. It's like, dude, oh my god.
Actually, every time I step on the dolly, I'm like,
Even just like being able to work like at like a height, I'm like, this is so nice.
It's the little things, dude. You're just like, wow, this is
My
nice.
life isn't terrible.
My business isn't suck, dude.
So we're continuing our battle against
Curves,
curves.
not straight surfaces.
Yes, you need flat, nice flat surfaces. I feel like curves are like advanced level fiberglass.
It's literally the hardest part about fiberglassing is getting a patch to match the surface here. You try your best to do what you can, you know.
You even implementing the finger method there, I saw.
Yeah.
That's some good stuff.
But honestly, it's like counterproductive. You think you get a set, and then you're like, no. Add more resin, and you think you get a set, and then no.
Yeah, you almost have to wait for it to like
freaking-
almost be like hard to actually
Yeah.
start doing anything with it.
Yeah. Just gotta work it, dude. Flat ones are looking good, though.
Flat's real good. I feel like we've mastered flat, I think.
Flat is mastered, dude.
It's just these bends we gotta get.
Makes sense why there's molds.
Yeah. Pull a vacuum.
Mm-hmm.
Has no choice but to...
To conform to your
Yeah.
command. When you're freeballing it like this, though,
Pain in the
good
arse.
luck, dude.
At least we get to say this is a hand-laid fiberglass boat.
Artisanal fiberglass boot. That one's actually, I think I got that one to look pretty good.
Yeah, that looks good, dude.
Just a little bubble up there.
Although, I think it helps when it, like, wraps up and over.
Uh-huh.
Whereas, like, this one, we're just, like, hanging out.
Might turn the heat on for a bit.
Yeah, bake them out.
Yeah,
Let's do it, dude. Everything's set, right?
yeah. Hi guys, it's been a minute. So I apologize for the bit of a break here, but you know, a lot has happened in the past 2 months that we've taken a bit of a break from Down to the Frame. Money's a factor, time was a factor. Pretty much worked the entire month of December, holidays, everything. It was just a busy 2 months, so I apologize for the big gap in content. But going forward, Down to the Frame is going to be producing 2 videos per month. The one video will be probably a boat video. It's going to be more focused because Jacques and I sat down and we had a big talk. Some focus needs to happen. The vlogs are great and all, but a lot, especially with this boat content, a lot of it is very repetitive. I mean, there's only so many videos you can post of us sanding and laying fiberglass before things just get a little boring. We're gonna try to do a lot of work behind the scenes and give you guys the content that you're looking for, the progress, the trials and tribulations, and hopefully have a more focused content to produce for you guys, as well as we're really here because we enjoy hearing comments from you guys saying, hey, thank you for helping, and thank you, you saved me money. And I think that's what Down the Frame is about. You know, we came into this just wanting to make projects and have fun, but to see how we're helping you guys has really been a highlight, and for me, pretty much the main reason that keeps me going. So thank you guys for giving us feedback on that. So from now on, it's going to be showing you guys maybe how to do a specific task or about a specific product that we're using and how to use it. So that way we're not wasting your time. and we're not wasting ours in turn. Thank you guys for sticking with us, being subscribers. Without further ado, let's get down the frame.